If I see a book at the booth, I have to talk to them. Giftology, knives, Joseph, Cutco. I feel like every year we talk about it and people still don't do it. Guys, do not underestimate the power of gifts. Joseph, what's your best of the best gifts ideas what you have here? When you prepare, when people order through you, what do you like to ship?
The reason I like doing a gift like this, because what I find is a lot of contractors, they always want to go sometimes the cheapest route. And sometimes cheap isn't good, right? And good isn't cheap. So with something like this, you can actually throw your logo on there. It's a beautiful knife that everybody uses, that they'll be talking about the next party, the next Super Bowl, the next event. So when they're using this knife, they're gonna think about you, and that's when the referrals come. Because referrals happen top of mind, they just don't happen just because. So this is just another way to get in front of them.
I just got an idea. I have a killer team, and this is a killer's knife. They just told me that this knife is actually made for killing, so I'm ordering this one for my killer team. What do you recommend for like team building, or what kind of sets, what kind of options do you have?
Yeah, so something interesting that we've been really doing is we find like the hardest thing to do is find a gift every single year, right? You spend 4 to 6 weeks maybe in boardrooms with the whole team going back and forth, just wasting a lot of time. So what we do now is we do a build a set program. This is great for employees or just relationships that are ongoing. So what we do, like let's say we do a knife like this the first year, right? But hey, you know that they're a hunter. That makes the second great gift. Then third year, fourth year, we actually take a block set and we can put their logo or put something that I like to do personally, put made especially for that person's family. Now you're really tapping into that relationship with that client and not only taking care of the contractor, but actually taking care of the whole family. And our biggest thing is if you take care of the family, then everything else will take care of itself.
Absolutely. I'll give you an example. One of my employees at Storm Group Roofing in my company, so she had Cutco sets. She went through divorce and I ordered 2 sets. She's seen it in the office and she asked me, where can I get it? Because I had Cutco set for years, but I lost the house and I lost my set through divorce. And she asked me if I can get her a new one, and we gave it to her at Storm Group Roofing set. Absolutely amazing. Guys, stop thinking about yourself. Think about your customer and your employee, what you can do for them. Do not be selfish in business. This is awesome. We're getting this.
And the biggest thing that I found too is, sometimes people want to do a bonus. And I'm not saying don't do a bonus, but take $100, take $200, put it towards a gift, because sometimes it is harder to replace an employee that's that all-star salesperson, that all-star manager, versus just that one client that bought one time. So just think about that and think about taking care of your people.
I like it. I like the idea and I like this thinking, and it's so true. Bonus will not go as far as attention to details when you give them a gift, because it's your attention and it's your, I don't know how to say it. I mean, there's something about a gift, something about you thinking about them when you present them with a gift. Money cannot buy that.